Apple is about to completely change the iPad game with the upcoming iPad Pro M5 in 2025, and the leaks are honestly shocking. We're talking about a massive OLED display upgrade, slimmer bezels, insane power from the new M5 chip, redesigned accessories like the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil 3, and yes, the price and release date have already been leaked. In today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the iPad Pro M5, from the biggest display changes to how much it's really going to cost and when you'll finally be able to buy it. Trust me, if you're even thinking about getting the next iPad, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The world of tablets has always been dominated by Apple, and whenever the company prepares to launch a new iPad Pro, the entire tech community holds its breath. In 2025, all eyes are on the upcoming iPad Pro M5, which has already sparked countless discussions thanks to a wave of shocking leaks, particularly around its display technology, pricing strategy, and confirmed release timeline. This is not just another incremental upgrade. It looks like Apple is setting the stage for a major transformation in the iPad lineup, pushing the Pro series further into professional computing territory while also giving everyday users something to be genuinely excited about. From early renders to insider reports, the story of the iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be one of the most important tech reveals of the year, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything we know, from the biggest display leaks to the expected price tags and official release date confirmations. First, let's talk about the biggest talking point, the display. If the leaks are to be believed, Apple is planning the most radical upgrade in iPad display history. For years, the iPad Pro line has been known for its cutting-edge screens, with features like promotion 120Hz refresh rates, mini LED backlighting on the larger model, and the kind of color accuracy that professionals dream of. But the iPad Pro M5 is rumored to take things to a whole new level by introducing OLED panels across both the 11-inch and 13-inch models. What makes this shocking is that Apple has reportedly been working on this transition for years, and now it finally looks ready for prime time. Early supply chain leaks suggest that Apple has partnered with LG and Samsung to mass-produce these panels, which will deliver deeper blacks, higher contrast, improved energy efficiency, and even thinner bezels. Some insiders claim that Apple is even experimenting with tandem OLED technology, which could boost brightness and longevity, solving some of the traditional issues with OLED displays. When you think about how transformative this could be, it makes perfect sense. An OLED iPad Pro would not only rival the best laptops and monitors in terms of display quality, but it would also further cement Apple's position as the leader in premium tablets. Imagine editing HDR photos or 4K video on a portable device with a display that rivals the best MacBook Pro screens. That's exactly what Apple is trying to achieve here. On top of that, there are whispers that Apple may even push the screen sizes slightly larger, with a 13-inch model potentially jumping closer to 13.2 inches thanks to slimmer bezels. For digital artists, video editors, and professionals who use the iPad as their main creative workstation, this is an upgrade that could completely change the game. Of course, a display this advanced comes with questions about power consumption, but that's where the new M5 chip enters the story. Apple's silicon journey has been groundbreaking since the introduction of the M1, and by 2025, the M5 is expected to be the most efficient and powerful chip Apple